Hey guys, today I'm just going to be making a quick video about unboxing an iPod video or a 5.5 gen. And as you can see, my desk has been redone with tiles because that other stuff was just crap. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First, I'll slide this out and then flip it over so we don't lose the iPod. And there it is, in almost pristine condition. So we can set that off to the side and open this up, where we have this little plastic envelope, our charging cable, and our what would you call this? An iPod slot for your dock, I guess. Sadly, we don't have the original headphones or case, I believe. I think it came with a case too. So let's open this up and see what we have in here. It's our quick start guide. And it's long. Welcome. Yeah, I don't really want to go through all this, so I'll put that back. Neat that it's still there. And we'll slide it back into the box. If I can even get it in the box. Take this cable out. You can also see that the USB end of this cable still has the original plastic cover. I'm not sure how the 30-pin end connects to this, if it does that, or if this clip is just for something else altogether. So now we can put this back into the box and close it up. You can see that this box is in decent condition, but it's a little nicked up and scratched around the edges. So this iPod is a 30 gigabyte model that was made in week 16 of 2007. And as I previously said, it's the 5.5 gen. This iPod, it can charge over FireWire and USB, but can only sync over USB. So, that was just a quick video, and I hope you enjoyed.